The 56-inch Bailey is a hugger-style ceiling fan with an energy-saving DC motor that is perfectly suited for large rooms. We'll show you how to install the fan with step-by-step instructions. If you would like to skip ahead to a specific part of the installation, pause the video and use this menu for reference. Otherwise, continue watching for the complete installation guide. Copy the UPC number located on the hanger bracket in case you ever need to contact customer service. If you feel that you do not have enough electrical wiring knowledge or experience, have your fan installed by a licensed electrician. Installation requires an installed ceiling outlet box that is UL listed and acceptable for fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a Phillips screwdriver, a wrench, a stepladder, a wire stripper, electrical tape, and about 1 hour to install the fan. With your equipment ready and your new ceiling fan unpacked, you can now begin the installation. Before getting started, turn off power at the breaker. First, attach the mounting bracket to the ceiling by removing the 2 screws in the ceiling box and passing the supply wires through the center hole. Place the bracket over the screw holes and insert the removed screws. Tighten both screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and use the safety cable from the fan motor assembly to hang it from the hanger bracket's hook. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box and hanger bracket together. Then connect the white wire from the motor to the neutral wire from the box. Finally, connect the black wire from the motor to the hot wire from the box. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Then push the wires neatly into the box. Position the motor over the 4 mounting bracket studs. Fasten a washer and nut onto one of the studs to hold the fan up. Install washers and nuts for the remaining studs. If the nuts become too difficult to tighten by hand, use a wrench to tighten all 4 nuts completely. Lift the motor housing up and align the slots with the studs on the mounting bracket. Rotate clockwise until snug. The fan is now properly mounted, and the rest of the fan body is ready to be installed. Bring the fan blade up to the fan and align it with the holes on the blade arm. Insert the blade attachment screws and tighten them securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Remove one of the screws from the mounting ring and loosen the remaining 2. Bring the mounting plate up to the fan. Align and twist the plate over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Remove one of the screws from the mounting plate and loosen the remaining 2. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Align and twist the light kit over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Bring the glass shade up to the fan and remove the decorative nut from the light kit. Slide the glass shade over the light kit shaft and secure it in place with the decorative nut. The installation is complete and the fan remote is now ready to be programmed. Before the fan can be operated, it must first learn the remote's unique frequency code. To begin the learning process, open the battery compartment of the remote and insert the included batteries. Restore power at the breaker, and within 30 seconds, press and hold the on-off button. If done correctly, the fan light will flash twice and the on-off button can be released. The fan is now ready to operate. The on-off button toggles the fan function. When toggled on, the fan will begin to rotate and the green LED bar will reflect the current speed setting. The speed setting can be increased or decreased with the plus and minus buttons. The light button toggles the light. Use the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the luminosity of the light. Comfort Breeze is a feature that produces a natural feeling breeze by alternating between lower and higher speeds. To activate it, press the Comfort Breeze button. Each press increases the maximum speed that the fan will alternate through. The Warm and Cool Weather buttons change the direction of the fan rotation. In warm weather mode, the fan will spin counterclockwise and push air downward to create a cooling effect. In cool weather mode, the fan will spin clockwise and pull warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan must be on before pressing the warm or cool weather buttons. The timer button automatically turns the fan and light off after a certain amount of hours have passed. Pressing the button allows you to select a 2-hour, 4-hour, or 8-hour delay. Pressing the button a fourth time will deactivate the timer function. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. Want more details or have any questions? Just call the customer service number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.